Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about safety measures in roads. Traffic rules help protect us on the road as well as everyone else driving on the same road. Moreover, someone behind any bigger vehicle should also understand that there is limited visibility of the driver and they should not try to come in the way of such vehicles, which can be dangerous for both parties. It is very important to be aware that road traffic injuries remain an important public health problem. When road safety products are utilized correctly or efficiently, they can help save lives, prevent accidents and injuries. Now, we are going to learn about safety measures in roads. Safety measures in roads. Always keep to left while driving, keep to the left and allow vehicles to pass from the opposite direction. Slow down on the bends and turn. A very important thing to keep in mind is to become cautious and slow down on the bends. Use helmets. Make it a habit of strapping the helmet before mounting the bikes. Never exceed the speed limit. The speed limit is related to traffic conditions of the area. So, maintain speed limit. Maintain the right distance. Collisions occur because we do not maintain adequate distance from the vehicle in front. So, maintain safe distance from the bigger vehicles. Keep out of their blind stop and area are not seen through the rear view and wing mirror. Park the vehicles only along the designated parking bays zones, not on the sides of the highways. Use parking lights and caution triangle while attending breakdown. Follow the road signs. Road signs are mostly pictorial, so it is not hard to comprehend. Safety lines in roads. Broken white line, basic marking on roads. You may change lanes and are allowed to overtake a vehicle or take U-turn if it is safe to do so. Solid white line, seen on areas on strategic importance. This implies that we are not allowed to overtake and to stay within the lane. Single solid yellow lines, used in areas where visibility is low. It implies that we can overtake and should drive on your side. Double solid yellow lines, used on dangerous roads for two-way traffic. It strictly prohibits anybody from crossing over into the lane we can overtake inside our over lane. Stop line. This is marked before the pedestrian crossing and set the deadline where cars should stop before traffic signal. Solid and broken lines. If you are driving on the side with the broken line, we are not allowed to overtake, and if we are driving on the side of the solid line, we are not. Mandatory signs in roads. The first category in traffic signs is mandatory signs. Violation of any mandatory traffic sign is an offence punishable by laws by the Roadways and Transport Department. Traffic signs and symbols are easy means of communication that let the road users remain aware of basic traffic laws, along with giving warning and information about locations and nearby amenities. While there are countless traffic signs, there have been three basic categories. First one is mandatory, second one is cautionary, and third one is informatory. However, they can also be sorted by color and shape. These signs are obligatory on the traffic which uses a specific area of road. These signs indicate what must one do rather than must not do. Mandatory road signs are generally round in shape with red border. Some of them are blue in color, stop and give way, and or octagon and triangle, respectively in shape. Violation these signs attracts heavy fines and punishments. Importantly, violations of this could lead to major accidents also. Cautionary signs in roads. A total of 40 cautionary traffic signs have been added by the Roadways and Transport Department. The main function of cautionary signs is to warn the driver to take necessary action, manage the situation. These signs are meant to warn the driver about the hazardous situation lying ahead on the road. The driver should obey this for their safety. Cautionary signs are triangle in shape with red border. These signs are meant to warn the driver about hazardous situation lying ahead on the road. The driver should obey these for their safety. Though violation of this road sign do not attract any legal action, they are very important for the fact that avoiding them could result in major accidents. Cautionary signs are triangle in shape with red border. Informatory signs in roads. These signs provide information to the drivers via boards. These signs are meant to provide information on direction, destination, roadside facilities, etc. to the road users. Following informative road signs helps a driver in saving time, reaching destination without wandering around. These signs are generally facilitators to the drivers. All informatory signs and guiding signs or facilities are rectangular in shape. Informatory signs for facilities indicates location and direction to facilities like fuel station and eating place or parking, and shall be symbol with rectangular board with blue background. These signs are meant to provide information on direction, destination, roadside facilities, etc. These signs are generally facilitators the drivers. These signs are normally blue in color. Thank you, students.